Hello there. Are you interested in investing in real estate but do not want to wait for a long time to reap the benefits of your investment? Okay, what if I show you a real estate investment scheme that is guaranteed to give you 50% return on investment within a 12-month duration? Yeah, you heard me, 50% return on investment in 12 months. AY Homes Real Estate Buyback Investment Scheme gives you the opportunity to earn either a 35% or a 45% or even 50% return on your investment within a 6 months or 9 months or 12 months duration. This is how it works. Invest from 2 million and above and earn either a 35% return on investment within 6 months or a 45% return on investment within 9 months or even a 50% return on investment within 12 months. For example, let's say you make a 20 million naira investment in the AY Homes Buyback Investment Scheme. Your cash maturity will be 30 million naira in 12 months. Imagine making extra 10 million naira within a duration of 12 months. See? You may be wondering, what are the documents you'll be getting for this type of investment? The moment payment is confirmed, you'll be issued a receipt, a deed of agreement, subject to the plot of land equivalent to the amount you invested, as well as a signed post-dated check that carries the maturity date. Well, be informed that we have a few plots left for this real estate investment scheme. For more options, read the captions below.